Okay, I'm out at the Cowart Farms with Peter Beignet, aka Peter the Great, and he is going to perform an amazing feat through the corn maze.
I am going to wear a blindfold. Brian has checked it out, and a teeny bit of light. He said a teeny bit of light show through.
Small speckles, nothing to guide you.
But I didn't
maze.
want to try and negotiate this water puddle with the blindfold on, so he let me come to this point before I put it on. My method is I'm going to sense the sun with my hand. I have oriented myself where the maze is based on the sun, and so they're going to walk me through so that I don't trip on anything, but I will negotiate the turns and hopefully don't get them too lost.
So you're going through the maze blindfolded.
Yes.
Now what is the purpose of this?
Well, I thought it would be an interesting way to get the community excited about the maze, and then they can try it out with their eyes open if they want, with their eyes closed if they would like, but just to see how amazing this maze is.
All right, very good. Well, let's get started.
All right. Okay, let me put this on. Yeah.
It doesn't look real pleasant to walk through at the moment. Here's Mystic Mel, Peter the Great's assistant.
Okay, now you guys got to tell me if there's water puddles or what's going on ahead of me here.
Don't worry, okay, turn to your right and you're on your own.
Sinking feeling about
No,
that.
you're okay now. Now you're on your own.